Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Toyota Sienna oil light. This simple procedure is crucial after an oil change to ensure your vehicle's maintenance system is up to date. It helps prevent unnecessary warnings and keeps your dashboard clear. We'll walk through the steps together, making it easy for you to complete this task quickly and correctly. Let's get started with the first step. Now, with your foot off the brake, turn your ignition key to the on position. Remember, you don't need to start the engine, just get the dashboard lights to illuminate. Next, find the trip meter reset button. It's usually near your odometer display. This button is key to navigating the maintenance light reset process. Keep it in mind as we move to the next crucial step. With the trip meter button pressed, turn your ignition key completely off. Keep holding that button down. Now, turn the ignition back to the on position, still maintaining pressure on the reset button. You should see the maintenance light flash a few times, then it will turn off, indicating a successful reset. Release the button once the light is gone. After releasing the button, start your Toyota Sienna's engine to confirm the oil maintenance light is no longer illuminated. If it's still on, simply repeat the steps. Remember, consistent oil changes are essential for your engine's health and performance. Also, for a fresh ride, check out the link in the description for Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals. Keeping your car running well and smelling great makes every drive better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.